In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list unisex on Poshmark. Poshmark is a popular platform for selling clothing, but it does not have a dedicated unisex category for items. This means you will need to be strategic in how you list your unisex items. By clearly indicating that an item is unisex, you can reach a broader audience. First, open the Poshmark app or go to the Poshmark website. If you're using the app, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface. On the website, the layout is similarly intuitive. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for your listing. You want to ensure you are starting from the right place and that your account is ready for selling. Next, tap or click on Sell. This button is usually found at the bottom of the app or prominently on the website. When you select this, you will be taken to the listing page where you can start the process of uploading your item. It's important to navigate correctly to this section to avoid confusion later. Now you will upload photos of your item. High-quality images are essential in attracting buyers. Make sure to capture your item from different angles to show all its features. Good lighting and clear images help potential buyers see what they are purchasing. This step can significantly increase the chances of making a sale. After uploading your photos, enter the item details. This includes the title, description, brand, and size. Be descriptive and honest about the condition of the item. Providing clear and accurate details helps build trust with potential buyers. Buyers appreciate thorough descriptions, and this can lead to quicker sales. Next, select either the men or women category. Choose the category depending on which audience is most appropriate for your item. This is important because it helps your listing appear in the right searches. Selecting the correct category ensures that your item is seen by the right buyers, maximizing your chances of a sale. Once you have selected the category, add unisex to the title and description. This is crucial for informing potential buyers that the item can be worn by anyone. This little step can make a big difference as it clarifies the intended audience for your item. Clarity in your listing will help avoid confusion later on. Now include both the men's and women's equivalent sizes, along with measurements. If your item is a medium in men's sizing, indicate what the equivalent is in women's sizing. Providing measurements can help buyers feel more confident about their purchase. This step ensures that buyers have all the information they need to make a decision. Next, add the unisex style tag if it's available for your listing. This tag can help boost visibility in searches and can attract more buyers looking specifically for unisex items. Tags are an important aspect of your listing because they help categorize the item more effectively. Finally, set your price and tap List to publish your item. Make sure you choose a competitive price based on similar items. Once you list your item, it will be available to the entire Poshmark community. This is the moment when all your efforts come together, allowing your item to be seen and potentially sold. Note, since Poshmark doesn't support a dedicated unisex clothing category, many experienced sellers create two separate listings, one under men and one under women. This approach can help you reach more buyers. If you choose this method, remember to remove the duplicate listing as soon as the item sells. This prevents the possibility of accidentally selling it twice. With these steps, you are well on your way to successfully listing unisex items on Poshmark.